Hello, Ken is my name and welcome to the Kenedits channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you something that really changed my mind, and the video that you are watching is part of the story. Well, most content creators while starting out on YouTube have this in mind, that creating a very good video for the internet requires one to travel to a very beautiful place that is probably miles away from where they live. That is a fact. I must say that I am guilty of this. Yes, but on September 30th at exactly 6:45 p.m. something happened to me that changed my mindset about this subject. And watch this. That short sequence that you just watched was all filmed from a place that is less than 5 kilometers from where I live. Amazing, isn't it? For a very long time I've passed by this place 2 to 3 times a week. This is a bridge over a little river called Ferisina, and it merges from the mountains. And where it pours its water, I'm yet to find out, because I am a great lover of nature and landscapes. Not so long ago, part of the water in this river was channeled away, probably for irrigation and agriculture, and that clearly explains why there is little water in this river. In fact, during winter this place almost goes dry. The sound of water over the multiple cascades was so satisfying, but the most epic moment for me while down here was looking at the sun as it quickly disappeared into the mountains. How beautiful! This was golden hour, the time of the day that photographers love. So, why are people drawn to places that are very far away and never give attention to places that are closer to them? Leave a comment in the comment section. And before you go, I want to challenge you today to create a video of your surrounding, a place that is less than 5 kilometers from your house. Thank you for watching. I love you guys, and I'm out of here.